Starting the stream. If for reals this time, everybody just ignore the fact that I started at 6:05. Did my entire intro, started playing the game, and then realized I didn't actually hit start. That's fake. Didn't happen. Ignore this autosave. It doesn't exist. Oh my goodness. I am not tired at all. Anyway, we're landing on this, which is someplace that supposedly exists. I don't have any evidence to back up that claim. Also, it's supposedly there. Is it actually there? We don't know yet. That's what we're gonna find out. The good news is that nothing appears to have immediately disintegrated upon loading. Which, you know, it's nice. You know, not having stuff just blow up. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, we have to land or something. So we have to get kerbals in here. Because that's how that works. So, crew management. That would be here. Let me just take up my entire screen with this menu anyway. We want these dudes in here. That works. Bro, why can't I just make this menu smaller? What if I actually need to transfer crew longer than one screen away? Game? Okay. So these should be in here now. And not in here. This is an escape pod. Sort of. Kind of. Well, that's interesting. I think we just go for it. On this... No, I don't think we need to land there. I don't know what this word is that's appearing on my screen. It's some like Dr. ES. Dres? I don't know, man. Probably fake. Would now be a good time, because this, I think it orbits, not orbits, but spins relatively. So that's a consideration. I think this is okay. Relatively confident. We just go for it. We have disconnected. That's gonna do that, I guess. Now I say we open the solar panels. That seems like a pretty good time. Okay. So we need to point retrograde, which is this direction, which is the opposite direction that we're pointing. And we're gonna lower our orbit around 10 kilometers. Assuming I turned on the engines, which in this case I have not. There we go. Nice. Okay. I do need to watch this, because that's important. Because if it goes too low, then we'll have to waste fuel to get it not low. You know, that's the thing. I want 10,000. And 10K. It's about 10K. Excellent. We now descend from the ring. Where this ends up is important, because about, say we take off like here, right? Where does this need to be? It's about 90 degrees behind. We need to start taking off. Got it. Well, actually more like Here? Okay, that's just useful to know for when we want to actually leave and actually get an intercept, you know, the basics. I'm gonna go all the way around once, so that we actually end up where we want to end up. Currently not here. Okay. Let's see, what are we doing? Okay. I want my time warp to happen. Let me time warp. There's my time warp. I think we end up going around a few times. I'm not entirely sure because I haven't done this. I got it first try before, so that's the thing. It looks like on the next one, I think we'll either... Actually, I think we'll get it on the next one. Now, it was mentioned in a previous episode by, one of the chat, and they were like, you know, this communications line is currently going through a planet. Therefore, Dres doesn't exist. And this is a valid argument. However, one must consider the state of the game. Maybe all planets don't exist. We don't know yet. We need further testing on such things. Okay, can I have my time warp back, please? Thank you. Where's my time warp? Where's my time warp? Give me the time warp. Time warp coming up. Beeping for the second time. We'll circularize. Get back around. See? Perfect location right there. Gotta make sure we're pointed retrograde. Easy. I know I'm before the periapsis right now, but that's fine. Need to land there anyway. Fine. Alright, coming over the cliff now. Probably. Alright, I believe we can extend this in. It was always extended, it's fine. Oh, and here's this. This is a thing that exists. Right here. Protrusion at the edge of the eye. This thing. This is something I noticed flying over it yesterday, and I don't know what it is. But it's an object, so it's there for some purpose. I wonder if there's one on, you know, there's probably one on the other side as well. And you know, they're kind of angled upwards. Like this, but you know. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. This is completely useless to me. There's Tertiary Dibs Platinum Edition. Bring it all from here, right on the equator. Okay. Trajectory should be set a little off to the side, actually. That should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Lands smack dab in the middle. Velocity. Not sure why we're not getting a Delta V readout. Kind of annoying. Not the most efficient, but it will do what we need. And I'm not trying to be ultra efficient. I know this thing can land. I've checked the Delta V charts, man. It's fine. It's fine. 12 FPS landing here. Oh yeah, there's totally one on the other side. Oh, that's funny. That's just goofy. How's our landing zone? Relatively flat. Extending landing legs. 40 meters per second. 30 meters per second. 20 meters per second. 10. 5. 1. 0. We have landed without falling through the surface. We can confirm this place is not a hologram. Okay. Neat. Let's extend the very, very useful ladder here. This just occurred to me. This is not a very necessary ladder. Is this so useful? Look at this. Such usefulness. Where is my marker? There's the marker. I don't know if they want me to actually, like, go over there, or if I can just be in the vicinity, but... Give me science. I'm just gonna fly there. It doesn't matter. We're on the Mun. I mean, we're not on the Mun. It was very Mun-like in its appearance. It just got a ring. So is it truly not the Mun? I mean, think about it. Is it really not the Mun? Who knows? Who knows? Let's place a flag on it. Ooh. Oh, jeez. Let's put a flag here. Mark this location for further exploration-y purposes. Right here. And then let's see if there's anything else. Because sometimes they give you an extra science thing. That's a thing that'll happen. Like, maybe the next one is like, orbit the ring, in which case I just get free science. Alright, we can now collect surface samples and plant a flag. Can't place an apostrophe? What is this? You've planted the flag as of 2 seconds ago. Yeah, let's go. That is not my flag. Fake. Science time. We have collected a surface sample. It is still possible. This place known as Dres is made of some sort of holographic film. We don't know. He's looking around. He has looked around. Science, ladies and gentlemen. Science. So I think I'm able to fly with just the jetpack to a bunch of areas and get surface samples and observation surveys. I do need to refill my RCS between these though. I'm thinking we can. I bet this is a science location. I don't know if both will be one. I'm not gonna go to both just for, you know, viewer purposes. If I go to one, I might as well have gone to the other one. Let's be real. But I think we can get, because this is a specific location, Eye of Dres, right? And then we have the equatorial ridge, the lowlands, this science location, and the craters, and I should be able to get all of them, right? Like, I don't want to use fuel in the lander for this because, you know, but I can just fly there. Get science. That should work. I don't see why that wouldn't work. Alright, let's head this way. And then we should be able to get... How many can you hold? I don't know how many you can hold. You should be able to do more than one. I guess I could just Google it while I'm in Coast here. Okay. I guess we could just try it. Wonder how much Delta V a kerbal has. Look at the Eye of Dres here. Wondering if this was a bad idea. Nah, this is a perfect idea with no flaws whatsoever. Yep. I see nothing that could go. Ignore the. I just realized I'm going 100 meters per second instead of just time warping. That's fine. Right? Oh god. I feel like it's not fine. But we've got all these rocks here. Ooh. Out of the eye yet? eye. Alright. I think I can walk the rest of the way, right? Surely. Maybe it's a ground thing. I just need to be on the ground. It's an incredibly steep slope, though. Let's see. Thin rock. This checks out. Do an experiment at thin rock. I guess this is one way of getting around the, you can't really do, because it's made with height maps, right? So you can't really get underhangs. You just custom make all of it. I mean, I suppose that's one way to do it. I guess. Why not? If I can't, like, actually just run to the equatorial ridge. Rock, I have Dres. Nudge forward. Out of this area, get to the equatorial ridge, which is higher, I think. Should be anyway. Might run out of monopropellant doing this, but I want to know if it's... How far is it? Might just revert this quick save. Then. Is it actually all the way up here? Jeez. I might not have enough monopropellant to get there and back then. Oh no, absolutely. There's no way I have enough monopropellant for that. Okay. All the way up. And I'm out. It takes all of my monopropellant to get out of that crater. Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you see the supposed Dres? No, you can't, because you're on the equator. So, I mean, well, there might be like a line of pixels. Oh god. Oh, that works. Let's see. No, I don't think you would be able to because you're on the... Hello, that's a thing. Map view moves even slower than usual. Let's go. Yeah, it's just a line of pixels. Like, look how it disappears. It just does that. Which I guess is realistic, but like... Where's the ring? Give me the ring! I have to revert this. I can't actually get surface samples from there. I landed too far away. No. I don't know if it's... We can get like 2,000 more science. We can get so much more science, though. Do I have fuel for it? I actually don't know. 1,400. To get back to Dres, to the station. How much is that? Let me see. And where is my chart? Give me the chart. Chart. 500. It'll be more than 500, but we might be able to do some hopping. Okay. Yep. Well, I mean, it makes sense that you can't see it, because that's just how rings work. So basically, if you want to see it, don't land on the equator. You know, if it was a thicker ring, you might be able to see more of it from, like, say, here. But even, like, from, say, this location, you're only going to see... If it was, like, wider, say it was this much, you'd see more, but because it's a thin ring. It's meant to be probably the Dres droid belt. In real life, it's actually here, but does it? So yeah, I guess the consensus is that Dres might exist. Very suspicious. Halfway to one of the poles. Yeah, probably. Okay, which way do I need to take off? 90 is this way. I can expend 500, I think. I had 2,000 coming down, I think. Just so I have margin. Let's see if I can do this in 400. Just get, what, over to here, I guess? Doing the landing again. There's 200. No, this is a dream. It's possible. It is possible. But we are I guess it depends if the science points actually register. Because if they don't register, then that means we didn't go there. But if we're able to get stuff from them, then we can probably claim it definitively. Is there a crater around here that isn't this one or this one? This is why it would be used. I don't think I'm gonna get crater. Fortunately. $154. I can land here. I can get ridge. I can get lowlands. If I manage to, no, I don't think I can fly all the way over there. There's just too much. That's too much distance to fly, unfortunately, I think. But I can get lowlands, so that's good. So here's Fin Rock. Was known in a previous version as the ultimate quarter pipe, which is very interesting. We might need to do some shenanigans here. Because, like, this is strangely ramp-like, and there appears to be a second one on the other side. Alright, I think we might have actually done this in 400 meters per second. So we have enough delta V to actually get back. Okay, we're good. Oh geez. Barely good. But I think we're good. This should be Equatorial Ridge. It is. Let's get an observation. Yes, good. Observations. And Jeb can go do the sample thing. When's your PhD coming in? Give me about 3 days, and once I exit Kerbal, I'll just immediately acquit. No, I am actually planning on going into that field, so you know there's that. I'm not there yet. Not even at the college part yet. But in time, we'll get there. Hopefully. Okay, we have this science. What else do we need? We need science from. Okay. This area, the fin, as it's been known as, I guess. That is the question. Astrophysics versus aerophysics. I just said that. That's a word. It'd probably end up being astrophysics just because space. Because then you get to like join a, what the heck is it? I don't know. Ouch! I just kicked my desk. Don't do that. Pain. Anyway. But, you know, when you get the astrophysics ones, you generally go into, like, what is it? You can do spacecraft design. That's cool. You can build rockets. You know, that's neat. This is actually a very large ramp. I kind of want to do a kerbal thing, actually, now. Okay, if this was KSP1, I would have just ragdolled there, but okay. Alright, let's get a surface sample of this strange cliff-like protrusion. It appears to be a rock. Very interesting. If we look at the rock, we can determine that it is very rock-like in structure. I think the difference between aerospace and astrophysics is aerospace is less completely space focused. So like aerospace and just generally aeronautics as well. You get like planes are technically in that field. You know, your Lockheed Mart. Those guys are aerospace. Also partially aeronautical, but I think aeronautical versus aerospace, they're pretty similar, but I think aeronautical is more like airplanes. Aerospace would be like cutting edge airplanes, I think. And also rockets. And then astrophysics would be what you go into when you want to build stuff that's in space or dealing with space specifically, you know, your orbital stuff. I mean, I guess you can say that astrophysics is more science. It does have the physics in the name, but I don't know. There's like actually, you know what? We might be confusing terms here because there's like aerospace, there's aeronautical, then there's like astrospace, astronautical, and then there's aerophysics, there's like all the things. I don't remember which one it was. I was looking at one in particular that I wanted to go into, and I don't remember the name. Ooh. The heck is my spacecraft? I swear I put it right here. Huh? What, no, but like actually, where's my... Where do it be? Chat, I lost my spaceship. I lost my spaceship. This is suboptimal. We've had a rapid unplanned disappearance. Did it kraken itself? I don't know why it would have krakened itself. What the heck? I did quick save here, right? Yes. I think a Dres just happened. What's a Dres? I don't know. Okay, where am I? Let me mark that as a thing. Okay. We're kind of about there-ish. Okay, got it. That made no sense. Take 2. And I will be watching you to make sure you don't disappear again. Mm-hmm.
I got my eyes on you.
Address? True. Alright, default name 36. Now don't you better stay right there. And don't move. Oh my god, a cliff. Okay, it's still there. Still there. For now. Okay, so still there. Okay. You stay there. Don't move. I bet it krakened itself for you know, some reason. I don't know what the reason is, but I bet it happened. Oh, jeez. Ah! See, now it... Wait, whoa, what? Now it's called the ultimate quarter pipe. Huh? No, it was actually called something different before. It was called, like, what was it? See... So what is it? Is this the ultimate quarter pipe, or is this Ridge Rock or whatever the heck it was called? Maybe this location here is maybe this like inter-region is the ultimate quarter pipe? I don't know. Very interesting. We have observed this. I'm actually gonna fly over here, see if it get a different reading then. Get into KSP1. Whenever 1.3, right? It was right after 1.2, I think, because 1.3 stayed around for a while. That version, I remember that. It wasn't too late. It wasn't that early, though. Landed on the ultimate quarter pipe. No, it was like a rock or something. I remember it was called something. Am I going crazy? Maybe did I fly to a different side? Huh? Are you still there? Okay, you're still there. Maybe the other side is called, like, the rock. I don't know. That's kind of weird. You know, I want to find out. Okay, I'm gonna do a thing. I'm just fly the heck over to the other one. I won't get science, obviously, because that would be cheesing the game. But I want to know what the heck was called, like, it was like not Cappy Rock. It was like Ridge or something. I don't know. It's called something specific. KSP2 trailer, or the like the original version of Build Fly Dream, because I've seen both. I remember the original being funny because it was like clearly anti-copyright version because it was like pitched up or something. Like after watching the original and then you watch the KSP2 trailer and then you get back to the original and it starts on a different note and I'm like, this seems like a 2015 production to me. Or whenever it came out, I don't remember. Bro, you better not be telling me to play that again. No. We're doing this today. I'm finishing this mission first. Then you can annoy me. Thank you. Okay. What's the mission? Land there, but we already landed there. So now we're just collecting science from that area. And then right now I'm currently cheating. Don't ask questions. This side... It was called like a something rock, but then I got there and it's called the ultimate quarter pipe, and so I'm going over here to see if they're both called that, or if maybe one side is called one thing and then the other side is called another thing, because if they're called different things, that means you can get science from both, and if you can get science from both, that means I have to come back. Except that they seem to have forgot to include IRSU in this version. You know, I cannot believe this. It was clearly the worst game in history. I can't make fuel yet, so we have two, because that thing is meant to be able to go to the surface and go back up, and if necessary, go back down to the surface again. I don't know if I actually have enough Delta V for that anymore because we spent 400 hopping. But we might we have enough to get back. We might have to send some fuel up with our next mission, which would presumably be adding adding stuff to that. Probably just a fuel tank, because reasons. Oh, remaking the original thriller. Oh boy, that's a project and a half. Nope, the camera angle was off. You see, you were meant to crash into the solar panel at 22.3 degrees at a zoom level of 5%, and you zoomed at 22.57 degrees at a zoom angle of 15%. How dare you? Okay, let's see what this science location is called. Dres. Oh, in KSP2, I see.
The sun was not in the correct position.
Which is a thing I could totally see happening. Just like, oh yeah, the lighting's wrong. Well, why the heck is the lighting wrong? Oh, the sun's on the other side of the planet. Reshoot! I expect it to not be slowing down for 12 hours. Bro. A bruh moment. How am I still going 100 meters per second? No! Why have I done this to myself? I just want to see one name over here, man. Drowns in misery. Go, go, go. 0 meters per second established. We are back. We're going the other direction now. It's possible one is called the ultimate quarter pipe and the other one is called, I don't even remember, like Cliff Rock? Something Rock. Fletcher Rock? I don't... something. Because these two ridges do look different. Like this has a kind of, I guess, a quarter pipe looking thing on it. But the other side has a mountain that goes about the same height as this. So I guess you could sort of consider it like this. So, yeah, there's that. Okay. Let's see. Making our approach once again at 100 meters per second. Why does it matter? Just because the acceleration on here sucks. I can be time warping. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Nice. I have Dres. Let's see. Okay. Start the deceleration. Did I overshoot this again? Are you kidding me? No, 80 meters per second. Come on, come on. No, no, no. Okay, that wasn't that bad. All right, we made it. Okay. Oh, dude, don't fall off the side of it. What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? No, this is also called the ultimate prototype. Now wait a minute. No, this was actually called something else. What? Huh? So these are both called the same thing. No, but like they were actually called something different. Maybe I have to go down it. Maybe that's what it is. Because when I researched it, when we did the research the first time, it was like it was something rock. So maybe the top is called the quarter pipe, and then this bottom area is the rock. I don't know. Maybe. Try it. Nope, that's still quarter pipe. Run down this hill on a different planet. Let's see. Brakes or don't. Ultimate quarter pipe still. We're kind of off to the side. I don't know. It definitely had a different name. Boy, can't wait to fly all the way back. You know what? I should have quick saved before I left. That was stupid. I should have quick saved so that I could just teleport back, because we're not getting any science here. I'd like to just cheat and get science, but you know, that's not fair. Ultimate quarter pipe still. Meep. Always quick save before you do something. This is a true statement. Go around the side. This is kind of where I was before when we did the thing. I should just go back, but I want to know where we get it from. Like, where do we get that science location from? Here? Ow. My quarter pipe again. But it wasn't called that. It actually wasn't called that. It was like something rock. Bro. What the heck? Wait. I totally can still teleport back. I have a quick save back there. Okay, I just have to fly legit back to the original section. Okay, we're good. Fin Rock, there it is. Why is this called Fin Rock right here? What? What? Why is it different? I can see this being a fin, but like, why is it different here, but not up? Okay, whatever. Okay, we've discovered Fin Rock. I wonder if we go to the same place on this one, if it's a different science location again. Okay, so here we are. We're back. Let's see if we can get the same thing. I'm thinking... Don't use too much fuel, because I do need to go back. I'll run part of the way if necessary. Okay, 35 meters per second. Not using that one. It's so weird. Let's get the science from here. Okay. No, this is Finn Rock again. It's Finn Rock. We're here at Finn Rock again. What? Eh? Who coded this? This makes no sense. What? Huh? What? Okay, maybe it's just this top section? Okay, well, I bet I could go literally run to the other part. Okay, that's weird. That is incredibly strange. Wait, I have more science to do here. It's a surface sample and a observation. The Thin Rock, though. Is it just like this area? Because why is this area called Fin Rock then? That should be called Fin Rock because it looks like an actual fin. Let's be real. Garbage fin. Who named this? Clearly the running works better with positive G-force. And then when negative G-force happens, he just does this. Watch us get there and it doesn't register as quarter pipe, it registers as Fin Rock. I don't know how I would feel about that. Come on, we're almost there. Come on, change. Change faster. I have no time limit. Oops. Come on. See, this refers to it as Dres with one S, so I'm not entirely sure we can consider it Dres with two S's. Sus. Okay, we're almost at that area. Then we'll go back to the boat. The boat? Oh my god. Not boat. Why do I have boats on my eyes? On my mind. My eyes? I have boats on my eyes, guys. Oh dear. Why do I have boats on my mind? I don't know. Okay. Hopefully the research location changes once we get to this area, and then we can do research and stuff. More science! We might be able to get like 20k from this, which is pretty good. Okay, Fin Rock should now be a quarter pipe. Come on. Come on. Bro. There it is. Okay. So it's specifically this area then. I must look up what a quarter pipe is now. What is a quarter pipe? This seems backwards. This quarter pipe seems to be backwards. I think what they're referring to, and I mean this is probably intended, but like, you jump off this one, fly over this entire eye, and land on the other one, which now I kind of want to do, but like, a quarter pipe is the other way around, is it not? It's like a skateboard thing, right? You have one on this, so you kind of go like this, but it's like we took this side and put it over here, so it's more like this. Which, isn't that just not a quarter pipe? What? Huh? This seems just like a big ramp. It should be more like ramp rock. Because that is a more accurate descriptor. Alright. Let us head back to the boat. Boat! Not boat. Also, where's the boat? Why I'm not seeing the ship anymore. Bro, that ship better be there. It's not there anymore. It's actually gone. Ah! It's gone again. It's gone again. Okay. I'm just gonna turn that on real quick so that I can do this in like less than an hour. Bruh. You're still there? You are indeed still there. Stay there. Do not move. It's gone again. Oh no, it's just down there. And now it's gone. Ah, the frick? The heck? What the kraken?
I think I have encountered a bug.
Chat, I think we have a bug on our hands. That's just wonderful. Okay, I assume it has to do with yeah, we've got a classic case of well, is it a bug or is Dres pretending not to be a hologram? Maybe the illusion. Maybe the illusion can't stand to be. Okay, I'm just gonna fly this thing over there because I know I can make it. I know I can make it on the monopropellant, and this isn't gonna like significantly change anything about our trajectory. This should prevent it from exiting physics range and falling through the floor! I'll just move this, because I know I can fly there and then fly back. So it's not like I'm gaining anything. And I don't think this, like, 100-meter delta of, like, altitude I gain is going to affect delta V. It might unintentionally save, like, 20 meters per second and, like, I don't know. I'd rather have the craft not explode, thank you. Alright. Landing landed successfully. Neat. Okay, we are on the equatorial ridge. Give me a surface sample. I'll just return it directly here. Just in case damper somehow had anything to do with that, I turned it down. I don't think it's too much of an issue here. Basically lying on the engines anyway. Have you finished doing science? Oh, we're on the quarter pipe, that's why. Okay, let's go over... Wait, what? This is not the quarter... What? Hang on.
What?
No, the quarter pipe is up there, you idiot. What? Huh? Question mark? What are these biomes? What? You seem fine to me. Shut up, game. This is the quarter pipe. This is the quarter pipe. This is Finrock? Hello? Is that what it's saying? That makes no sense. This is so unintuitive. What? This is quarter pipe. Ooh, coded this. Ooh, coded this. How dare you? There we go. Perfectly not bugged at all. Okay. Now we must look around to determine why it is that this is known as Finrock, and that is not known as Finrock, and that is also not known as Finrock. Jebediah Kerman determines he cannot read the developers' minds, and therefore does not know. What an astute observation by Jebediah Kerman. I'm not gonna time warp. It's apparently way too risky. I also still have infinite propellant on, which I should not have on anymore. Okay, we have it from Finn. We have it from Quarter Pipe. Now we need it from Ridge and from Lowlands. We can get Lowlands pretty easy from here as well. Just in theory. In-game theory. Alright, I'm gonna store these.
And then quick save.
And then... Ooh. Maybe Bob needs to be the one to do these experiment thingies. Because he's meant to be the scientist dude, right? Right? Maybe Jeb is just incompetent. Maybe he's only good at stunts. We must consider this. I don't like this theory. But we got Finrock. We got Finrock. It is a different science location, so I would like to get it. Those are the lowlands down there. Oh geez, what the heck? I landed at 25 meters per second, oh my god. Broke every bone in his body. Alright, surface sample and ridge. I think we can only carry 2. That's why I'm doing it in this way. Okay. Now we just need to get down to the lowlands. Which shouldn't be easy. Who said kerbals had bones? This is a good point. We must consider kerbals might undergo photosynthesis. I mean, they don't need life support, canonically. Still on the ridge. Still on the ridge. Oh, jeez. Okay. Up. No. Nope. No. 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 Nope. 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 I will fix the bug. Nope. Denied. Denied. Be gone, bug. Nope. Denied. Okay, I did not need to use that much propellant, but that was a glitch. Okay. Saved. Why did I just stop moving? Turn off infinite propellant. Okay, saved. Saved. Dres is still trying to be a hologram. We will not allow such things. It's fake. Where are the lowlands? How far away are I thought they were like right here. If they're not, we're just gonna act like we never came here, because like, oh my god, they're so far away. How far do I need to go? Ah! You know, this is why... This is the reason I installed Orbital Survey, the mod. Because then I could just look at the biomes. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Okay. How much propellant did I use to get here? I don't know. Hopefully this is enough to get back. Bruh. I don't know how far away that was. It might have us going all the way out here. I don't know. I'd rather not do that. I've drove in a car over slightly dysfunctional. I don't think it's on right now. No, it's not. And before any of you smart addicts asked why infinite electricity it's on, it's for my ears. There's a couple of probes over at Joule that keep losing EC for some reason. And every single time one of them loses EC, it's like,
Yo, this craft has lost electric charge.
like, I don't care, I'm not over there, just ignore them, please. And it doesn't, so this has electric charge. I've made sure it always has electric charge. We're good. I'm not doing anything illegal, probably. So, you should be alright. But what is annoying is that you can't transfer the kerbal with it. You have to press F between each ladder change. It's slightly annoying. Oh my god, boost! Go! Go! Use the boost! Yes! Got him. Yeah, I need to go a little higher. Take that, bugs. Get outplayed.
Bruh.
Yeah, we lost our orbit lines again. No. Okay. Quick save. Quick save and exit. I know how we know how to fix this. We must reboot the entirety of the game. Why? Okay. At least we know how to solve it. Cause this game is still in development. Okay, thank you. At least we know how to solve it. It's not like it's not. I don't think it's landed state. If it is, I don't remember. I don't know if they patched out landed state just yet. But the mod community fixes, which I assume fixes some of the things suggested by the community. That would be the intent. I get it has a fix for landed state bug. So hopefully that's not weird, because landed state bug is way more annoying than all the orbit lines going by. So hopefully that's what it is. Alright, we're back. We're back. Oh, fuck off. Alright, I don't know why you have. They are working on a fix, so you know maybe mid-March we'll get a fix. I don't know when we're gonna get the next one. I assume it's mid-March because this one came out right before February. You know, it probably won't be another one in February because that'd just be too good. Alright, 600 meters per second should be fine. We do want to be about here. We're basically going for the Mun, which is a weird thing to say around a different planet, but we're basically aiming for the Mun. But the Mun is a space station. That's kind of how this works. Yes, just replace them with your own. See, mine are superior. I have superior orbit lines. They are not hard-coded into the game. In fact, the ones that are hard-coded into the game are actually disabled. So that even if they disappear, nothing happens. Crack. Other more different to crack. We're gonna start burning here. Yes, it's not a perfect circle.
Shut up, Gerald!
Alright, so I think... yeah, that should be fine. 3 kerbals inside. It could be 5. This thing is this is basically future-proofed for when we can actually do resource gathering. It's meant to be refueled at the surface. Or I guess you could refuel it in orbit, if that's your thing. For some reason, I don't get it. Why would you do that in orbit? Unless you're using orbit as a means to get somewhere that's not the surface, why would you refuel not on the surface? Because then you have to because then you have a dumb chain where it's like, okay, so if we want the lander to go to orbit, then we have to send a different lander to go into orbit to put the fuel in the thing, which then has to land back, and then so the lander can... Why would you do this? This seems like it's unnecessarily overcomplicated. Just refuel on the surface. It's easier. Way easier. I see some vaguely ring-looking pixels right here. Look, look, there's the ring. I don't know if you can see. It's like 1 pixel. Can kinda sorta see it. Ish. Hello, ring. It's also incredibly dark, so YouTube might just be annihilating it. I don't know. We're almost at this. There's the sun. Where's the sun? There's the sun. Hello, sun. Right. We're almost done a full orbit. No, we haven't. Okay, so when we went down, it ended up about here. So it travels about that much. Really want to be about here, then I think. That's where we want to create our maneuver plan. I'm just gonna wing this, but like, I want to know where to burn. I mean, right about there seems pretty good. Right about there. Beautiful. I will just do the plan. What the heck? Why not? Do that stupid little plan thingy. Okay, right now, I should probably do an inclination change burn of about 2 degrees. It'll make it easier. Yeah. Is it burning unnecessary fuel? Probably. But whatever. Now it can be even closer. Right? How are we now? The new markers are very convenient. I do like them. Thank you for adding that. Little ship, instead of saying, because otherwise you have to hold your thing over them. It's just really annoying to deal with. But this way, you can just see which one is the ship. So that's a good addition. Thank you. They've done a thing. Time warp to the node. Time warp limited due to proximity to celestial. Chat. Time warp nodes are officially what? Time warp nodes? Maneuver nodes are now officially celestial bodies. Thanks. Okay. Not sure that's what I would classify them as, but you do you, I guess. If you want. Me a different angle. Hey, we'll just fix our normal anti-normal real quick. That should not be the issue that we have. Degrees, right, prograde. 2,000 meters. 2 kilometers are pretty good. I know I can do better, though. For new players, though, 2,000 is pretty okay. Honestly, you can do a lot with that. That's a bit annoying. Nothing I do is working. Weird. Prograde there, it seems to work. Okay. Try that then. Weird orbital mechanics work, I guess. 500 meters per second should be plenty to circularize. An RCS to do all this so I don't waste fuel. You have to kind of alternate between these radials. Happened. 286. 40. $196. Don't know why that's happening. 200 meters. Closing. 55 meters per second to circularize. 184. Where the debris. I'm just gonna end up doing this target. I guess we'll just do it here. That should take no time at all to burn, so. Ooh! Okay. That was weird. Almost had a game crash. Funky. Right. There's the ring. Where's the thing? There's the... Ryzen at the ring. Why did it add a number to the ring station? What is this? You're banned. Ooh, so cinematic. That's a weird backdrop. Alright, engine deactivated. We're aiming for this docking port at the bottom. RCS active. Alright, moving in. A little bit high on our approach. I like to do these dockings without doing like the lazy method, which is, you know, point both at each other, because sometimes this is a big space station, you know? And then that doesn't work. Really just want these to drift close together, and you want to get yourself aligned in about the right area. And once you do that, move in. Get all your 3 axes lined up separately, then you should just be able to move straight in. That's my tactic. You can do it here, like where you're sort of maneuvering so you're always pointed towards the thing. You don't want to necessarily align the prograde up with it immediately, though. That doesn't always work. Because otherwise you're just always headed straight for this. A little bit H. There. You want to know which way your axes are as well. H. H is backwards. What the heck just happened? Why are we in the dark? Oh, I missed the docking. Okay. Oh, I didn't miss the... I missed nothing, but... Now we're in the dark! Wait, what? Oh, we went... Fucking sun went behind the clouds. Clouds? Clouds? There ain't no clouds here. The heck? Going crazy. Lunar eclipse. Real. Not the greatest stalking. I would have I would have preferred to actually have these perfectly aligned. Yep. Okay. So now we do these. We have just this pretty much to do. Alright, so now that we've done all the stuffs here, we have how much science in the bank? We have some science in the bank. Okay, that's good. we have some stuff in the bank. Alright. That's good. Now... Oh, wait, no. We have to transfer kerbals first. Okay. Oh, wait. I can do this. What? Heck. That's incredibly... What is this? Is this just... teleportation? Can you just teleport kerbals where you want them? I'm assuming they're in the vicinity, of course, but... That's a thing. I suppose. Okay. Quick save. This is the space station. It is very space stationy, but we must now actually, what are we even in a good location to depart? I do not know my departure angles, man. I just don't. How do I get back to Kerbin from here? How do I leave? How do I leave? Alright, so Kerbin, negative 330. Oh, what does that mean? Negative 330. How can you have a negative degree? What? What is negative 330? Behind? But it's behind 3... So is it 30 degrees in front? Or is it 30 degrees... What direction does that... What direction does this imply? I don't understand. Huh? Where's Kerbin now? I mean, Kerbin is... It's like 30 degrees behind, kinda. No, it's like in front. So we want it to be here? 30 degrees in front? Because 330 degrees... It's like there, right? I don't know. Psst. I don't know how to read. Psst. I'm gonna time warp till Kerbin's there and then go for it. I think that's what it wants. Alright. want Kerbin there. I don't got no qualms about doing no math, alright? But that just... What? What? Yeah.
Yeah.
This part is in the wrong spot. Also, we're missing a fairing here. That's interesting. I would hope it's just visual. Alright, let's go back. We're good here. Try again? Maybe? That was interesting. Not gonna quick save on that. Oh. Well. Okay. Okay. Sure. You know what? I don't even care. You think you can stop me from measuring 30 degrees? Well, you're wrong. There's 30 degrees. Nerd. Are we alive? Okay, ignore the banding on the ring for a second. We appear to not have died this time. So, you know, that's good. I'm a quick save, and we're gonna do the funny. Oh no, the screen appears to have gone black. How tragic. Heading home with no orbit lines. I think... Is this caused by... No. Some of the bugs though, I just don't understand how they could happen. Like orbital decay. Like surely an orbit is just like it's an equation and then it's just there. Like you're doing some orbital physics on it, right? But like they mentioned in the thing that there's orbital drift compensation. Like does it just naturally drift? Like what is this? This don't make no sense. How is it even? You'd think it'd just be a circle that spacecraft goes around it. You'd think that'd be super specific and super precise, and yet they can move. Like, who even knows? I know it's been patched, but like, it's been patched like 4 times. So is it actually patched this time? I hope so, but I guess we'll see. Okay, I want to time warp here. Then we can detach, go retrograde. And ideally we go whee! This way, and hopefully we get Kerbin as an encounter. Okay. The kerbals are stashed in here. 1, 2, tree. Cool. Wait, I missed the satellite dish? This is illegal. How could I forget that? How could I put this on the wrong one? Anyway. Okay. It is time. Detach. Deploying communications arrays and also antennas. We're now legally allowed to keep our sanities intact. Bro, why do you hate me? What is this? Bruh. Wait. I know KSP1 physics. Aw, yep. Nailed it. Nailed it. We retrograde? We are retrograde. Alright. Decreasing periapsis for maximum Oberth. How much Oberth are we gonna get from Dres? I don't know. More than 0. Alright. 10,000. 10,000. Alright, this is going to be incredibly skewed, by the way. Like, it is not going to be straight. Whatsoever. Thanks, inclination. Wait, what? Oh, I totally did this backward. Oh my god. Totally did it backwards. I meant to be on the other side. Okay. Take 2. Is this side the correct side? No, because this makes us go... So we actually need to be on this side then. Okay. Time warp to point. Take 3.5. Okay. I would unskew it, but like, honestly, is it even worth it? It might not even be like worth it. Tiny bit of light here. Hey, we'll actually be on the light side, because that's how the sun works. $8,000 should be fine. I am noticing a significantly smaller portion of, orbital drift around Dres. It was just constantly changing in the previous version. So... And by, very little, I do also 0 does include is currently less, so you know there's that. I've apparently targeted the mun like a moron. I wonder why it ain't working. 8 degrees. Can I even do 8 degrees? No. Doubt. Huh? I was Kerbin that far away. Kerbin actually needed to be here. Bro. It was there before.
Okay. We want this quick save.
So we could have just done it immediately. Because Kerbin was there before, so it is behind them. So why would you say negative in the degree? Huh? Why would you put negative in the degree? You see, now Kerbin looks like it's in the correct spot. Right? Kinda. It might not be, but it's closer. Certainly closer. Like a full 120 degrees or something. Should I just go for it? Let's do it again here. Oh, I need to be on the other side. Why isn't this working? You're on the wrong side. Derp. Derp. Okay. Take the third. Or hopefully the planets are actually aligned. Figuratively and literally. That's Target. Oh, you see, now they're actually like in the correct spot as well. Kind of. They're not in exactly the same spot. Also, Kerbin's a little bit behind. Actually, you know what? We can time warp this angle, can we not? What is that? Wait! Wait! Where's my protractor? I feel like there's gotta be a better protractor than my house. This is like clearly not designed to be a protractor. I have a protractor. Actually, mate. Well, what about does it look like? It's looking like about 45. That's not 45 degrees. What? 40 or 35 maybe? $55 minus 90. It's like 35 degrees. So if we just time warp that, and then do this burn, they'll be like basically aligned. That's how it works. Ba-da-ba. Like what? So if this is 90, that's so about like here. About there. And then we go for it. Fortunately, that means Dres moved a little bit, but I think that's okay. Need to move more? Why does it feel like nothing has happened? Huh? Oh great, those are just stuck in the ether now, that's fun. What? They were focused on like actual. Why don't I make another one? Ba-ba-ba. Come on. Line up. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. No way. Okay, it doesn't... It's not gonna go all the way down, unfortunately. But that was really close. I don't have to unskew the orbit, chat. Look at how close it is. There it is. Nailed it. Where's my... Nailed it. There's no way we're making it all the way there just from this. I'm gonna have to do a mid-course, obviously, but... You know. Close enough. That's pretty good. Let's do that one. Nice. Do that again. We get a light side burn as well. Oh, everything is perfect. And nothing will possibly go wrong. Nothing will go wrong going back.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Because it's not supposed to. "20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Burn." Let's see how accurate the maneuver planner is. I'll just get there and the parachute doesn't deploy. That would be something. All 3 kerbals are in there. Good. 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 Confirmed the existence of Dres? Maybe. It's possible. Might have done it. This line doesn't seem very straight. What is this? Oh. What? Such accuracy. Why does it look like that? Nobody knows. Halfway through the burn. It is very easy to see why people would complain that, oh my god, look, it's just reused code that they just copy pasted from the original. Look, this line looks the same. No, it doesn't. Look, this line is 3D now. Get it right, nerds. We have 3D. Glitchy orbit lines. I don't know why these are 3D now. I feel like they don't need to be 3D. Also, we appear to be slightly off. Grr. How dare we? I feel like required delta V should be moving so that I know how much border I have left, so I can start planning how much I need to plan for, say, the next one. Look, they even like glitch in the same way when I move the camera. "40 seconds. Here's the ring. Why doesn't this look like it's in anywhere near the same position as this? This orbit line looks different. No, it doesn't actually. I'm just looking at this now. No, it doesn't. It looks the same. This is a secondary one. Hello. That, okay, music jump scare for some reason. Okay. The Kerbin. That's target. I'm not going to know. Exactly where we stand until I exit the sphere of influence. Hello, ring. Goodbye, ring. One bug they need to fix. The ring goes behind Dres. Why does the ring go behind Dres twice? Rendering problem, probably. But it does go... It should be in front, and it's not. Very Borkin. Very Borkin. I don't know what you mean. It makes perfect sense. What? Makes sense to me. Went a little bit past this. Hit course correction time. Meters per second. Excellent. There's my maneuver. There's my maneuver. A little bit up. A little bit in. And then it's gone. There it is. Up. Then this way. Up. That way. Which is actually the same way. And then this way again. And then backwards. There. Perfect. Not gonna get that. But perfect anyway. Point. And time warp. Most efficient to do that way out here, so. Your vessel is out of communications range. I do not care. It's fine. It's not broken because it's not supposed to be. Okay, we are ready for burn. I'm not gonna do the burn yet because I want to be in Kerbal SOI when I do it, and I mean, missing it by 3 seconds is not the end of the world. Not being at the right angle is kind of the end of the world. Figuratively, not literally. There it is. Neat. Okay, the rest with some RCS. RCS does nothing because that's not how that works. I don't have RCS on this pod. Urban periaps is 94 kilometers. Oh, I can kind of do that. Alright, 35 kilometers seems good. F5. I suspect it's because I'm going side to side, so that I can, the RCS on here can actually deal with that. Not recommended, because you have 0 monopropellant in that pod, but, you know, whatever. Okay, now we just time warp all the way home. And, hopefully capture. In my many years of playing this, Kerbal Space Program game, I have only had it happen once, maybe once and a half times that I actually landed anywhere near the KSC. Excluding SSTOs, because, you know, you're meant to fly those. But other than that, just, like, randomly getting it basically doesn't happen. Just doesn't happen, unfortunately. It'd be funny. I don't think it happens. Yeet. Yeet. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, it's Kerbal. Oh my god. That's Kerbal. Right there. It's right there. Kind of looks like the Death Star. But we don't question that. It's fine. Also, we're coming around the back, which means eternal darkness for everybody. Let's go. Let's go. 70 kilometers break. Holy crap. I think we're on fire. I like how my heat shield is just not burning up. That's cool. Why is my heat shield not being a heat shield? Heat shield, do heat shield. My heat shield has decided to go on strike, but still give me thermal protection, so that's interesting. Thanks? This is the thing that happens. Hey look, it's the Mun. Goodbye, the Mun. I just saw aliens. Did anybody else just see aliens? I just saw aliens. That was weird. Also, does Kerbal not have an atmosphere right now? No, just clouds. I feel like it's missing... It's missing... I don't know. Maybe I'm just going crazy because of the lighting, but no, there's clouds. Atmosphere. Chat, I just saw aliens, help. Aliens. We're doomed. Alright, how's my heat shield? Heat shield is still on strike. Okay. That's interesting. Means it's not gonna look charred at all after doing that. Which is a thing. Okay. We might actually land in the daytime, which is gonna be fun. I know it's basically 50-50, but like... it might actually happen. Why is this bad? I don't think we're gonna hit the KSC. KSC's over here. Almost. But also, like, not really. Almost. You ablating? Just not ablating, okay. I think we make it. With all... no, 19k science. We're not gonna make it to the KSC. It's literally behind us. No. Wait. Okay, my heat shield is just not gonna ablate, alright. I wanted to see the char marks, and it didn't give me the char marks. Now I'm sad. It'd be really funny if we hit KSC, but God, it's just not feasible. Is it a daytime landing? Are we sure? Bro, the game actually hates us. This is the only explanation. There can't be any others. It's almost a sunrise landing. Maybe. Maybe. We're gonna have, like, twilight here. I don't think we have at dawn. I wish I had light boost. I always had light boost up at like 40%, because then you can actually see things. And then my footage wasn't just like content. Like, you could actually mistake that. You could actually mistake that for the screen not actually being there. Like a bra. Okay. 261 meters per second, 5,000 meters. Could I have put drogues on here? Yes. Did I? No. Do I know where the sea is? No. It's there, presumably. I do like how the parachutes actually look like real parachutes. Except for the fact that when you have more of them, they don't spread correctly. Can't wait for feature parity. Hey, recovery. We've done a thing. Yes. Recover. Give me science! Your research report has given you 72. Yeah, the stars do move now. It's great. Look at this. Oh, the stars. They move. The bug has been fixed. It's great. We could have waited for dusk, but I was impatient, alright? We just got like 12,000 million science points. And also this one, we get another 6,000. What is the verdict on Dres existing? I like how we didn't do gold. I just skipped Paul. Even though Paul is actually harder than... I swear getting to Paul is actually harder than this. I mean, maybe not. Okay, I don't think we got... Did we get any? Did I just miss something? I don't know, man. What just happened? I actually have no idea. A lack of a feature, not a bug. Do we have contortionary dibs? No, we don't have contortionary dibs. Really? We don't? Maybe it's after Eve. Maybe, because I'm thinking like Moho. Like, when is Moho? I assume it's after Eve. Which is weird, because, you know, whatever. Actually, Actually, getting to Moho is actually pretty difficult. I think getting to Eve's relatively easy. I think that makes sense. R&D Center, let's get some stuff. Yes, I can actually end a stream before the 4-hour mark for once. Let's go. We'll get... I think we want to go to Eve first. Not land on Eve. Hopefully. I really hope that's not one of the big missions, but... I really hope it's not. Yeah. Okay. Also, we should have all the parts required to start doing funny SSTO missions as well. So, you know, there's that. Also, space shuttles. XL docking, I don't think we need that. What we did need is the fairing part. Where's the fairing parts? Oh my god, they're all the way out here? Bro. Why? That's not fair. That's actually not fair. Like, it's forcing me to get the useless trusses. What am I gonna use these for? What am I gonna use these for? I don't think it's too expensive. No, because 8,000, 15, 21, 26. No, we could get this. It's just all of my science points. That's the problem. I would much rather get, like, science or something. Also, I'm not gonna get this. I'm not gonna get this one. This could be helpful, but it's not really. And also, this thing doesn't work. Like, it actually doesn't work. I've tried to re-enter Eve, blows up at 80,000 kilometers. Like, what? With the new heat changes, you can barely enter Kerbin with this. Like, why? That is like the end game heat shield. Why doesn't it work? Okay. Back to this. I think I want these because they're big and funny. And also I just kind of want to... I don't need monopropellant that I know of. Large aerodynamics we might get. I think I just finished this, honestly. I don't think I need these right now, so I might skip these. This I do want, though. I think. But, yeah, because these are for the... I feel like these aerodynamic parts should really come with your rocketry. Specifically, like... Where are they? Your big launchers. Like... This is 2.5 meter, right? Why am I getting the 2.5 meter thing all the way over here? Why? It needs a bit of rebalancing. I think we all know that, though. What parts would I need to say the next mission we do, instead of going straight for another planet, we do a funny mission. I don't know, maybe we launch some satellites to Dres. Because clearly it exists. We got the science point. So we're tentatively saying it exists right now. I think we get SSTO parts. Just because I think it's funny. Because they don't work as well in this game because you don't have the nuclear engines. I think we do that. We need these two. We might need these. We get these two. I don't think we use nuclear power. We might skip this one. Then we could do geostationary with these, because then that's actually useful. I think we do this one. We have plenty of science to spend right now, so I'm not too fussed about it. And over here... let's see. None of these make any sense right now. Don't need wheels. Could go for this, but there's like 3 locations you can do this. Eve, Lathe, and Kerbin. So I assume when you get this, you're gonna get some missions for that. And there's also orbital report. Well, the next big mission we do with Kerbals is probably gonna require nuclear engines, so there's that. Yeah, Eve, Lathe, and Kerbin are the 3 places. So once we have that, what else? Maybe we just finish out this one. We have the science for it. Let's get everything in here. Even the useless ones. Because then we have everything done, and we can focus on this. What do we want from here? Mark III. I don't think we need Mark III. I find the Mark II to be much nicer. Get the Dunket? Maybe we get the Dunket. Did we get the Dunket? Maybe we get the Dunket then. We'll do the Dunket. 800 science left. This is what we're gonna be doing next. As a big mission, I guess, then. Gonna need some kind of base, I suppose. If it's on Eve, it's not coming back. That thing is heavy. Just look at this thing. We're getting 3 tons. No. Alright. Well, we've done stuff and things. Oh yeah, there's also Elu we could go to, I guess. Yes, that's an option. Alright. Well, having finished all the requirements, I am going to end it here then. I'll think about what the heck we're going to do next. Val does have an ocean. That is a good point. There are more locations then. Okay, that's neat. We did it. Alright. Well, I'm gonna sign off here, guys. So, if you guys enjoyed, if you want to watch more content, head to the home page, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, because apparently that's how you get notified. Go figure. Anyway, today's been fun.